pickup. They'll have single turbos with a 2.6-inch inducer in the turbo bore. That's like a restrictor plate. That's all the bigger opening they can have going into their turbo. Getting into NASCAR stuff here.
Tracy Frederick on the bone saw. Got the green flag. Let's see if he's got something for my 1575. That moves him into the lead by 25 feet.
Good pull for hometown boy.